Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, step rails, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 18-inch wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 8-cylinder Hemi with only 5,947 miles. The sliding rear window, the bed cover, the dual exhaust, the tow package, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders, the front row adjustable cloth seating, cruise, AC, a rotary shifter, a push-button start, under-seat storage, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy-to-use entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.